Students, this is Mukhtar Magray with a new topic in Geography 10th class, that is agriculture. As far as agriculture is concerned, it is one of the most important this practice in India. At least still two-thirds its population is engaged in this very sector. Besides food grains, it produces raw materials to agro-based industries. There are different types of farmings in India. Agriculture is an old age economic activity, and depending on physical, environmental, technological and socio-economical practices, farming varies from subsistence to commercial farming. So these are the two major types of farming which we'll discuss. Primitive subsistence farming. In this type of farming, small patches of lands are used by the farmers. Primitive tools like hoes, does, digging sticks are used, and this farming depends on monsoon rains and natural fertility of soil and environmental conditions. Farmers do not know how to utilize, how to use the scientific methods to improve the agricultural produces. And it is also slash and burn farming is also primitive subsistence farming. In India, it is called as zooming cultivation. It is also called as shifting cultivation, and there are some disadvantages associated with the slash and burn agriculture. Shifting cultivation destroys the plant and trees. To a large extent, it causes deforestation, it causes loss of biodiversity, it leads to the soil erosion once we cut down the trees. Definitely soil erosion took place over there, and it destroys the habitats of various types of animals. Now the intense substance farming with little bit advanced techniques, when we use in the substance farming, it becomes intensive substance farming. Practice this intensive substance farming is practiced in densely populated regions of the world. Same is the case with India. It is a labor intensive farming. We need a large number of laborers in this type of farming. Farmers use high doses of biochemicals. Biochemical inputs and irrigation are used. The artificial irrigation systems are used to obtain higher productions. There are another type of farming, that is commercial farming, where we do farming for the markets. High yielding variety of seeds are used, chemical fertilizers are used on a large scale, insecticides, pesticides, all these things are used in commercial farming. Plantation is one of the commercial farming. It is a single crop farming. It covers large tracts of land. It is a capital intensive. We need a large number of laborers as far as this commercial farming is concerned, but at the same time we require huge amount of capital for this commercial farming. Produces for the market, what we get through commercial farming, it is mainly produced for the markets and used as a raw material in number of industries. In India, tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, banana, etc. are the important plantation crops. Cropping patterns. There are some physiographic these patterns are responsible for cropping pattern in India. It is a physical diversity basically which determines the cropping pattern. In India, we have 3 cropping seasons determined by the physical diversity. These physical determines the physical climatic condition. In India, we have 3 cropping seasons: Rabi season, Kharif season, and Zaid season. As far as the Rabi season is concerned, the crops we grow in this very season includes wheat, barley, peas, mustard. So far as the sowing season is concerned, it is from October to December, and harvesting time of the Rabi crops in India is from April to June. Important areas known for this Rabi crop in India includes Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Next one is the Kharif crop. Kharif crop is one of the most important crop in India. It is sown with the onset of monsoon, and harvested between September to October. The important crops of this Kharif crop includes paddy, maize, jawar, soybean, arhar. It's also called tur, etc. All these crops require very high temperature, which is possible only in the Kharif season. And the important regions are Assam, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, coastal Orissa, etc. Short season is there between Rabi season and Kharif season. It is called the Zaid season. This season is one of the important season in which we normally cultivate watermelons, muskmelons, cucumber, fodder crops, etc. Now, major crops of India. One of the major crop of India is rice. So far as rice is concerned, it is a staple food of the majority of the population of India. India occupies the second position as far as the rice is concerned. It is a Kharif crop, requires temperature above 25 degree Celsius, and the rainfall should be around 100 centimeters, but in those regions where we don't receive the rainfall around 100 centimeters, we can cultivate this crop with the artificial irrigation system. When you look at this map, I can show you some areas which are known for this rice. As far as the UP is concerned, the eastern parts of this northern plains and northeastern states, West Bengal, Orissa, these are the major areas where we produce this rice. But western part of Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Punjab is also known for rice cultivation. And besides these areas, we have coastal areas over here, eastern coastal areas and western coastal areas. These areas and the deltic regions of east and west coast also known for their rice cultivation. The second important crop in India is, among the major crops, is the wheat. And as far as wheat is concerned, the second important crop in India, it is a Rabi crop, and it requires cool temperature at the time of sowing, but there should be bright sunshine at the time of harvest. Rainfall should be around 50 to 75 degree Celsius. So far as the major areas of this crop is concerned, it is grown mainly in Madhya Pradesh, UP, Rajasthan, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, and the major area is the Ganga Satluj plains. Dear students, in next video we will continue the chapter, this topic, major crops. Thank you very much.